Before we begin, we will do breathing exercises to get us in the right frame of mind. Let's start with closing our eyes. Sizoqala ngokuvala amehlo. We will take a deep breath in. Donsa umphefumulo. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Dedela umphefumulo. Asiphinde futhi. Let's repeat again. Deep breath in. Donsa umphefumulo. Deep breath out. Dedela umphefumulo. And then repeat after me. Phinda emva kwami. IsiZulu silula futhi simnandi. Zulu is easy and enjoyable. Asivule amehlo. Let's open our eyes. Thank you, and let's begin.